Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Google Chrome current stable version on RHEL 9.6. But the process is same on all RHEL versions. The default browser that comes with Redhat Enterprise Linux 9.6 is Firefox. Go to activities. See here we have the Firefox. Even if you go to all applications, see you don't have the any other browser. Only we have the Firefox. Open it. Then go to Google or any search engine and search for download. Google Chrome. Then click on Google Chrome, the fast and secure web browser. Then click on download Chrome. For RHEL, Fedora or OpenSUSE, we have to select the 64-bit .rpm. Then click on this accept and install. Wait a moment, see download started, go to download, see here, its size is 115 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this RPM package. See, Google Chrome stable current version download completed. Now open terminal, go to activities, open terminal, then go to downloads directly, cd downloads, ls, see here we have the RPM package. You have to install it. Sudo rpm -ivh -no deps, which means no dependencies. Then give Google, press the tab to autofill entire Google Chrome RPM package. Hit enter. See, one error received, but we have installed Google Chrome. Go to activities, show applications. See here we have the Google Chrome. Open it. Now see here, make Google Chrome the default browser and automatically send user statistics and cross reports to Google. It is up to you. If you want, you can select. Then click on OK. Don't sign in. Got it. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay. So ls, this file is not required anymore. rm, give Google, press tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome stable current version on RHEL 9.6. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.